Hi, this is not Paul's ego, but I can explain. My name is Cody Weber, and I was a YouTube member up until about 2 hours ago. You may have heard of me, you might not have. I don't know. But I'm going to preface this video that Paul has let me upload onto his channel with an email that I got today. Dear Saturnine Films, we have disabled the following material as a result of a third-party notification from Salem Communications claiming that this material is infringing. Cody Weber, Death, Decay, and Windy Days, which was a poem that I wrote. This comes less than 24 hours after I was DMCA'd by the popular DMCA filer Venom Fang X for a video that I made almost a year ago. So to cut the story as short as I can, 11,000 members of my audience have no idea where the fuck I am. And they won't, because I've been silenced by Christian propagandists who have no real faith, whose faith holds up to absolutely no scrutiny, or at least the scrutiny of their own ego, as in Venom Fang X's case. I was falsely DMCA'd by him, I was falsely DMCA'd by 2Rocker4U, and I was falsely DMCA'd by the Salem Communications Company, and it's bullshit. My YouTube account has been permanently disabled because they did it in such a sneaky way that Venom Fang X filed a DMCA against me, knowing that I would counterfile, and then the Salem Communications Company files one the day after when I'm still in the process of countering the one with Venom Fang X, which just makes me look like I do nothing but infringe copyright with my channel. YouTube won't let me file another counter DMCA against Salem Communications. So what can I do? I asked Paul to upload this video because I'm not doing it. I'm not doing this bullshit. YouTube's not going to give me my account back, so I apologize about that. But I will continue my art and I will continue my video making process at cwphoto.tumblr.com, and keep your eye out for CodyWeberPhotography.com. I'm going to do this on my own with your help. If you see this video, re-upload it, mirror it to your channel. If you have any of my other videos, or any video that I make in the future, you can mirror those too. I don't know what the future holds for me. This is a big roadblock for me, but I'm not out. I appreciate your help, Paul, and anybody else that mirrors this video. Love you guys. cwphoto.tumblr.com. Peace, motherfucker.